Hello, everyone. So, the AI revolution is coming to robotics. That's pretty clear. We see it in all the innovative startups here. It's obvious the trends that are happening with big data, deep learning, and high-fidelity simulations. But there is one problem, which is that the industrial robots that are in production today and on the market today are not ready to utilize these benefits. They are still hard-coded to do rigid motions over and over. So how can robots be intelligent and adaptive and make their own decisions? Do you need to be an expert in both AI and robotic programming to see these benefits? Well, my name is Enrico Eberhard. I'm the CTO and co-founder of AICA, a robotic software startup from Lausanne, Switzerland. And we are experts in AI and robotics. And what we're trying to do is build modular software that combines cutting-edge control algorithms for robotics with modular and reusable software blocks to make adaptive and intelligent use cases. And more than that, we're not just trying to create and build these solutions ourselves. We're actually building an entire framework that starts with these algorithms we've developed, compliant force control, learning from demonstration, and reinforcement learning, and packages them in a way that is able to be deployed for different use cases. So to be clear, a user should be able to take our library of software, build together some kind of motion, and parameterize it from some initial demonstration, and then define through a learning process what the robot should do. Maybe sounds a bit abstract, but I can give you a very concrete example, and that is the pilot project that we've successfully done together with Schaeffler. So I'm going to hand over to my colleague, Simon.
Okay. So thank you very much, Enrico. My name, as already mentioned, is Simon Mattes. I'm a project manager here at Schaeffler in the team of new production concepts. Our job here is to accelerate and bring new startups and ideas into our production processes. And we brought you one of the examples where we are working with AICA in the field of gearbox assembly. But what is so special about this task? We as a gearbox manufacturer had a lot of tasks in this direction, which we in the end only use by manual assembly, meaning you have a gearbox stage, a planetary gearbox stage, which you want to fiddle into the housing. With the manual assembly, a lot of challenges come. So at first, we try to automate it normally, or let's say conventional, using a high precision, very complex, but also expensive robot, and a lot of manual programming work. So we said that worked for the first time, like you can also see in this video, which is not playing currently. And so we said, well, in the video you could see that at some points the human has to help the robot. So it's a good solution, it works, but it's not perfect. So for the future we thought, let's do another way, use an AI-based way. Where we, together with the AICA solution, just one time assemble the gearbox by hand. Okay. So now I have to explain to you what is working because the video is hanging a little bit. So you assemble a gearbox one time per hand, meaning you guide the robot, and afterward, the system together with predefined framework parameters, like for example, a maximum forces, process times, etc., the system automatically optimizes itself, meaning it does the assemble, concentrates tolerances, and so optimizes. In the end, you get a stable solution, which then also runs stable. That was, of course, in laboratory. Laboratory is not the most exciting things to do. In the end, we want to bring our ideas into serious production. Maybe you've also seen the video today before in the keynote of our CEO, Mr. Schick. Here we have the application in serious production, now running since 9 months without any issue, within the framework parameters. And the most important point, a satisfied internal customer. And that's the reason why we said we want to also go on this journey for more, meaning we look together in POCs in the idea of reinforcement learning-based screwing, cardboard insert assemblies, etc. And with these words, I want to say from our two sides, thank you very much for your time, for your openness, and a nice day at the Expo. Thank you very much.